Good evening everyone. My name is Neelam Wahi and this video is for class 6 to 10th students. Okay. You all know that I am a maths teacher but this video is related with activity. So there is a twist in this video. This activity is related with maths activity. Okay. We will find out. First thing, everyone, you all know that you have studied LCMs and HCF in your earlier classes. Okay, LCM is in class 4th also, it is in class 5th also, and 6th also, 7th also, 8th also, and so on. Okay, for in your future also it is very necessary topic. Okay, very important topic. So what we will do today, we will find out the LCM using some charts. Okay, what we will find out, we will find out the LCM of 3, 8 and 12. Okay, for that what are the things we required? There are some papers I have written 1 to 100 in it. Okay, I have 4-5 sheets of papers, some sketch pens, one cutter, scissor, some highlighter. Okay, now what we have to do, we will take one sheet like that. In this sheet 1 to 100 is written. Okay, now what we have to find out, we have to find out the LCM of 3, 8 and 12. So as you all know, what are the multiples of 3? What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Okay, so what we will do, we will circle the multiples here. Okay, this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 70, 8, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. Okay, what is this? This is the multiples of 3. Okay, why we are doing this? Because we want to find out the LCM of 3, 8 and 12. So the first number is 3. So we have encircled all the numbers, all the multiples of 3. Now what we will do for the next step? Now we will find out the multiples of 8. Okay, we will take another sheet. In this also 1 to 100 is written. Now we will circle the multiples of 8. So what will come? First one is 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Now next is 32. Next is 40. 48. 56. 64. 72, 80, 88 and 96. What is this? These are the multiples of 8. Okay, these are the multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 8. Now what we will do next? Again we have to find out the LCM of 3, 8 and 12. So what we will do? We will find out the multiples of 12. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So we will circle the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Next is 36. Next is 48. Next is 60. Next is 72. Next is 84. Next is 96. Okay, all three we have completed. These are the multiples of 3, these are the multiples of 8 and these are the multiples of 12. Now what we will do with the help of the cutter? What we will do with the help of the cutter, like that we will cut the numbers which we have circled. Okay, like that we will cut the numbers which we have circled. Okay, like that we will cut this. Okay, so this space is empty. Like that we will do for all the numbers in which we have done the circle. Okay, it will look like this. See, this is the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that. Okay, this is the multiples of 3. Okay, now what is the next number? 8. This is the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Okay, this is the multiples of 8. So first one is multiple of 3. In down of that I have put the next sheet which is the multiple of 8. Now what is this? These are the multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36. We will put all these 3 sheets like that, and we have taken a complete sheet. Now we will put all these 3 sheets like that. Okay, see what are the numbers you are able to see? 24, 48, 72 and 96. What are the numbers you are able to see? 24, 48, 72 and 96. We will note these numbers. What are the common factors, common multiples? Common multiples are 24, 48, 72 and 96. But what we have to find out? LCM. What is the meaning of L? Lowest common multiple we have to find out. So what is the lowest number in this? 24. So what is our LCM? LCM of 3, 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, so this is the activity related with LCM. Now we have to find out the HCF of 75, 65 and 80. Okay, so we know that what are the factors of 75? The factors of 75 is 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Okay, so what we will do? We will put red dots on the factors of 75. Okay, I have read this red sketch pen. In that I will put dots, red dots for the factors of 75. That is 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Okay, now what are the factors of 65? The factors of 65 is 1, 5, 13 and 65. I will use blue color sketch pen for putting dots. So what are the factors of 65? 1, 5, 13 and 65. Okay, next is factors of 80. So what are the factors of 80? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. So I will put green dots for the factors of 80. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. Okay, now as we all know that what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factors. So what are the common numbers? We will see all the 3 dots are in only 2 numbers, that is 1 and 5. That is 1 and 5. All the 3 dots are in 1 and 5. So these are the common factors of these three numbers. Okay, what are the common factors of 75, 65 and 80 is 1 and 5, and we have to find out the highest number. So which is the highest number between 1 and 5? 5. Okay, so HCF of 75, 65 and 80 is 5. Okay, in this way we can do the activity related to LCM and HCF. Okay, thank you.